Okay, so let's dive into something I think a lot of us have uh, worried about at some point.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
You're driving maybe down 217 right there in Beaverton, and bam, a rock flies up, hits the glass, you've got a crack.
Ugh, that sound. It's the worst.
It is. And the immediate question in your mind, beyond just, oh, great, that's ugly, is, wait, is this illegal?
Can I get a ticket for this?
Exactly. And the short answer we found in the source material is, well, it's a frustrating maybe.
It really is. It depends.
Right. So that's our mission for this deep dive, to cut through that maybe.
Mhm.
We're going to break down the Oregon state law to find that exact point where a crack stops being an annoyance and starts being a ticket.
And the first thing to get out of the way is that there's no, blanket rule.
No.
The law in Oregon doesn't say a 3-inch crack is okay, but a 4-inch one is a fine. It's not that simple.
It's all about one word, really, isn't it? Obstruction.
Precisely. The legal language cares less about the crack itself and more about whether that crack obstructs your clear view of the road.
Which, for a driver, that still sounds a little vague. What really counts as an obstruction?
It is vague, but the sources do give us a really clear guideline. They talk about the primary viewing area.
Okay, let's define that.
This is the critical takeaway for anyone listening. Just picture the part of your windshield that your wipers actually sweep clean.
Ah, okay. The wiper zone.
That's the critical zone. If a crack starts to creep into that patch of glass, especially right in front of the steering wheel, you've pretty much crossed the line from a cosmetic problem to probable cause for a traffic stop.
Because that's where the police officer's judgment call comes into play.
It is. The police in Beaverton, the state patrol, they have a lot of discretion here. They aren't going to pull out a ruler.
Right.
They're looking for things like visual distortion. If the sun hits that crack and it creates a blinding glare, or if it's just sitting right in your direct line of sight. They can cite you for that.
So you're basically betting that your idea of safe matches the officer's. But I think the most powerful part of this whole topic isn't even the legal risk. It's the engineering behind it.
This is the part that I think blows most people's minds. We all think of a windshield as just a big piece of glass.
A bug shield, right?
Exactly. But the source material makes it incredibly clear. The windshield is a structural pillar of your car.
It's a load-bearing wall.
That's a perfect way to put it. In modern cars, the glass is bonded directly to the frame. It provides a huge percentage of the roof's structural integrity.
So in a rollover.
In a rollover, that windshield is a key part of what keeps the roof from crushing you.
Wow. And it's not just the roof. The airbags, that was the detail that really got me. The passenger airbag doesn't just shoot straight out.
No, it shoots up first. It's designed to hit the windshield, use it as a kind of backstop.
The backboard.
Yes, exactly. And then it bounces off the glass to properly cushion the passenger.
So if that glass, that backboard, is already weakened by a crack,
It might just shatter the moment the airbag hits it. The bag blows right through the broken glass instead of deploying properly, and your passenger loses that vital protection.
that just completely reframes the whole cost conversation, doesn't it?
It has to.
The sources say a simple chip repair in the Portland area might run you, what, $50 to $150?
Mm-hmm. Which is an annoyance, but you compare that to the cost of a ticket, or worse, the cost of a critical safety system failing in an accident.
It's a pretty easy decision at that point.
It's a no-brainer. If that crack is in your line of sight, in that wiper zone, or if you see it starting to spread, you're not just risking a fine. You are driving a structurally compromised vehicle.
Right. It's not dirt on your glasses.
It's a crack in your helmet.
A crack in your helmet.
Yeah.
That's the perfect way to think about it. Which, it leaves me with one final thought to sort of chew on. If we treat a cracked windshield a major structural component, like it's just a minor cosmetic issue, it makes you wonder, right, what other little cosmetic dings and dents are we all ignoring that are actually compromising the very systems designed to save our lives?
That's a question worth asking the next time you do a walk around of your car.
Definitely something to think about. Drive safe out there.
Sure.
And thanks for diving in.